have to go out somewhere, whether it's on a date or hanging out with friends, and you gotta put an outfit together, right? So you think of this fire outfit, you grab all the pieces, you get dressed, you go and stand in front of the mirror and realize that the outfit is subpar. It's alright, but it's missing something, but you just don't know what to add to it, right? I'm gonna be giving you guys 5 small style details that will make a huge difference in your appearance and kind of help that outfit look a little bit better, maybe help you stand out from the crowd. By the way, guys, my name is Abraham Corella and I make men's fashion, lifestyle, health, and fitness content. So if you're interested in any of that, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. So starting off with the first small detail, a lot of people have been coming to me lately asking me how they can look taller. One simple way to look taller is with your pants. So if you're a shorter guy, kind of like I am, you definitely want to avoid wearing any baggy or loose fit pants. That baggy look in your pants is going to do absolutely nothing for you except make your lower body appear shorter. So the best way to avoid that is to wear either tapered pants or straight fit pants. So this is going to help add to the illusion that your lower body is a little bit longer, making you look taller. And I'm not saying you can never wear baggy pants. I mean, if that's your style, go for it. I'm a shorter guy myself and I still like to wear baggier pants when I'm going for that streetwear look. But do keep in mind, wearing baggier pants is gonna make you look a little bit shorter. And so the next style detail is gonna be your shorts length. I'm telling you guys, do not wear shorts that go below your knees. That adds to my last statement about looking short. Wearing shorts that go below your knees is gonna do nothing except make you short. Plus it's out of style. Nobody wears shorts below their knees anymore unless they're not in tune with the latest fashion. I typically like to go with shorts that are about a 5 or 6 inch inseam. Those seem to be the perfect length and they're absolutely perfect for summer. So since we're in the middle of summer, there's a lot of brands selling shorts right now, obviously, because it's what's in. So there's a lot of options out there. But I'm gonna give you guys one of my favorite places to go get shorts, and that's actually gonna be Kinetic Kings. You can head over to kinetickings.com or click the link down below in my description, because I'm telling you guys, I have like, I don't know, I'd say like 20 pairs of shorts from them, somewhere around there, just because I'm obsessed with them. I wear them like, I don't know, 90% of the time. I can tell you they have endless colors, endless styles and patterns, textures. They have solid colored shorts and shorts that help you stand out from the crowd. And all of these Kinetic King shorts fit above the knee as well. I personally wear a medium just because I like the way they fit above my knee, but obviously you can size up a bit if you want it to be a little bit looser, a little bit longer. But remember, don't go below your knee, guys. So if you guys want to try some shorts from Kinetic Kings, go ahead and click the link down below in the description. Once you pick a pair of shorts at checkout, use code ABE to take 10% off your purchase. Just ABE, put the code right here, save you a little bit of money. All right, now the next small style detail is gonna be accessories, guys. Whether it's jewelry or bags or sunglasses, you wanna make sure that you're at least adding something to your outfit. Crossbody bags are awesome because not only does it add a little bit of flair to your outfit, but you can also hold stuff in there. Another one that's really trending right now are tote bags, and I actually made a whole YouTube video about this. A lot more guys have been wearing them lately. It's been trending for a while, and I think that's another great way that you can add a little bit of flair to your outfit, but you can still hold your necessities in there, and that's a larger bag than a crossbody bag most of the time. Other than that, you definitely want to make sure you have some jewelry, whether it's earrings like I have or a necklace, kind of like this chain link necklace here. If you don't have any necklaces, I'm sure you guys have a watch or a bracelet. Every guy should have a watch. So if you don't have a necklace, at least add a watch onto your wrist, or if you have a necklace and a watch, throw them both together. That always looks great. Necklaces are perfect because they're always going to add a little bit of color and a little bit of detail around your neck. You can pair several necklaces together if you want. Most of the time it's just going to cover that empty part of your chest, which is definitely going to make it look a little bit better. They go great with camp collar button-up shirts. So when you're wearing that camp collar with a tank top underneath, you can get a necklace with a pendant on it, which is a little bit more stylish, stands out a little bit more. But if you just want to kind of keep it minimal, you can just get a small chain link necklace like this right here. For example, you can see how wearing the solid colored t-shirt without a necklace looks okay, but once you add a necklace, it totally enhances the look and overall just looks a whole lot better and is a little more eye-catching. Fourth small detail is you want to make sure you're layering. Yeah, layering is usually a fall or winter thing. I know we're right in the middle of summer right now, but I'm telling you, you can still layer during the summer. You can still layer in warm weather. And I know by experience, because I live in Phoenix, in the middle of the summer, it gets up to 110 sometimes. It gets really hot, but you can still layer and look good during warm weather. For example, wearing camp collar button-up shirts like I was talking about a little bit earlier, with a tank top or a solid colored t-shirt underneath. It goes great with some pants or shorts. You could also do a lightweight thin flannel. It's a small little detail that'll make your outfit look a whole lot better instead of just throwing on a t-shirt and some shorts. The last small detail of the day, guys, is gonna be texture. You want to keep an eye out for texture. So when you're going shopping for new clothes, instead of grabbing something off the rack and saying, oh yeah, that looks cool, I'm just gonna buy it, make sure that you're paying attention to the texture. Make sure you're feeling it, making sure the quality is good, obviously, but you want to make sure that you're at least getting some pieces with some different types of texture on it. For example, I have a few t-shirts that have that ribbed pattern all around. Great for casual wear, or if you want to dress it up a bit. Closer to the fall and winter time, you could get some Sherpa jackets. A huge trend right now are linen shirts, shorts, pants, just because it's so lightweight, thin, and so breathable. It helps keep you cool during the warm weather, which is why they're absolutely perfect right now. So you can definitely go for some linen clothing. So if you're not really feeling like wearing a bag or layering for your outfit, and you just want to wear a plain t-shirt and some shorts, you can always upgrade a shirt and shorts outfit with interesting patterns and textures, guys. Small little detail, but it changes a whole lot. And that's gonna be pretty much all I have for today, guys. But if you have any more questions on anything that I talked about, let me know in the comments. Don't forget, if you want to try out some Kinetic King shorts for yourself, click the link down below in the description and use code AVE at checkout to save 15% off your purchase, guys. And if you have any extra time, let me know in the comments what kind of videos you guys want to see from me. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at RealAbrahamCarella. Catch up with what I'm doing off of YouTube. And again, that's all I got for today, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Have a blessed day.